Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class, and our today's topic is Unit 7, Make Sentence and Question Answer. So let's start our class. Look at the board, students. Just look, this is Unit 7, Rib and Winkle. This is the chapter's title. In the previous classes, we learned the synonym, antonym and the word meaning, and today we will learn the make sentence and question answer from this chapter. So at first, make sentence. The first one is stare. The villagers stared at the strangers. The villagers stared at the stranger. So stare, the villagers stared at the stranger. Number 2 is bark. The dog was barking at the unknown person. The dog was barking at the unknown person. The dog was barking at the unknown person. Number 3 is amazed. Everyone was amazed to see Rip after 20 years. Everyone was amazed to see Rip after 20 years. Everyone was amazed to see Rip after 20 years. Number 4 is crowd. Rip saw his daughter in the crowd. Rip saw his daughter in the crowd. Rip saw his daughter in the crowd. So, you have 4 verbs to make sentences. Now we will start the question answer of Unit 7. The first question, just look, there are 4 questions here. The first question is, why did Rip fall asleep the first time? Answer: Rip fell asleep the first time because he was tired. Rip fell asleep the first time because he was tired. Answer is Rip fell asleep the first time because he was tired. Now the second question, what did the barrel contain? Answer: the barrel contained strange pink water. The barrel contained strange pink water. The barrel contained strange pink water. Number 3, who did the young woman look like? Answer: the young woman looked like Rip's wife. The young woman looked like Rip's wife. The young woman looked like Rip's wife. Number 4, the last question is, who was the young woman? The young woman was Rip's daughter. The young woman was Rip's daughter. The young woman was Rip's daughter. So students, now this is your HW for vacation. Unit 7 question answer. That means this 4 question answer, these are your HW for vacation. And students, you have to submit your HW after the vacation. So HW for vacation is Unit 7 question answer. That's all for today, students. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.